Hello student, welcome to VEHS Sumati Academy. This is Rashmi dixit, your science teacher. Our topic is parts of flowering plant. Plants are a very important part of our life because directly or indirectly we all are depends on plants either for food or for oxygen. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen, and this oxygen we get from the plant also. And when we breathe out, we take out carbon dioxide. This gas is very dangerous for us. So during the photosynthesis process, plants take this carbon dioxide and release oxygen. There are so many plants. Some are very small, some are very big, and some plants are there which needs support to climb as their stems are big. Now we will talk about types of plants. We have so many types of plant around us. First one is herbs. These types of plants are very short plants with soft stem. Means the stem of these type of plants are very soft, such as tomato, brinjal, tulsi, coriander, mint. All we have seen such type of plants. These type of plants are called as herbs. Second type of plants are shrubs. These plants are medium size, means the height is medium, and they are like bushy and woody type. They have bushy and woody type stem. Like we have rose, sunflower. We have seen the rose flower around us and sunflower. So these are called as shrubs. Next, tree. Tree plants are such type of plants which have big stem, woody trunk. We can say woody trunk without or with branches. It is not necessary all the trees will have branches. Some tree have branches, some not have. Don't have the branches, such as mango tree, neem tree, gulmohar tree, coconut tree. These types of plant are called as a tree. Now the last one is climbers. Many times we see some plants over the wall. These type of plants are called as a climbers because these plants have very big stem and they need to support to climb and spread their leaves for getting sunlight. And as we know, sunlight is very important for growing any plant, because without sunlight it is not necessary to complete the photosynthesis process. So climbers, either because of these type of plants, take the supports to climb and spread their leaves and to receive sunlight for their growth, such as money plant and grapevine. Now, plants can also be classified as flowering and non-flowering ones, as all the flowering plants have two main systems. First, the root system, which grows mainly under the ground. Means we all have seen the roots. Root is a part of a plant which is under the soil. Even we can say the part of a plant which is away from sunlight is called as a root system. The shoot system, which grows above the ground or above the soil, or we can say shoot system, receives sunlight. Now we will learn about root system. Already I told you the root. Root is a part of a plant which grow under the soil, and we can say root is a part of plant which is away from sunlight. So as it is not getting the sunlight, so it is the non-green part of a plant. So it is the non-green part of the plant and it grows into the soil away from sunlight, and it absorbs the water and minerals from the soil for the plant. As in the process of photosynthesis for making the food for the plant, water and minerals are very important part for the process of photosynthesis, and this water and minerals is carried by stem to the different part of a plant. And there are some roots which store food like carrot and beetroot. You can see there are some root which store food like carrot and beetroot, and also there's some other root that provide extra support to the plant as banyan tree. You can see the size of banyan tree is very huge. So the root of this type of tree provides an extra support to the tree. There are two types of root system. Recently, we have learned about the root system. Now, we will learn about types of root system. There are two types of root system, taproot, and second one is fibrous root. Now, we have first root, that is taproot. Taproot consists only a single main root with lateral branches. Means in taproot there is only a single main root. We can see it in the picture. These type of root are called as taproots. Example of these taproots are carrots. Carrots are the example of taproot. Same we have the other examples: beetroot, radish, carrot. These are the example of taproot. Okay, so our next root is fibrous root. In the taproot, we learned that the taproot there is only a single main root, but in the fibrous root there is a main root which is short-lived. In fibrous root there is a main root which is short-lived, and after some time this main root is replaced by a number of small roots which arise from a common point at the end of the stem. Okay. In the fibrous root, there is a main root which is short-lived, and after some time, this main root is replaced by a number of roots. You can see the picture of fibrous root. So, in the taproot, there is only a single main root, and in the fibrous root, there is a main root which is replaced by a number of small roots. Examples of fibrous roots are onion, wheat, and rice. So for today it is enough. In the next video we will learn about the root system and the function of leaves. Till